Our sales have been going down these few weeks. Don't you all have better idea than just at least sitting around and playing in the office?
Yes, boss, I do agree with you. Look like they don't really do their job. What a lazy bum.
Okay, boss. Actually, we did do some planning to increase our sales.
Do please hear us first.
Okay, it's better be good or else.
Okay, we will develop and sell a new product, which is a new keripik.
I thought this is a keripik company. Going basic, aren't we?
Hello, saya sedang talking yet. Be professional and do not interrupt, please.
Thank you, Rin. So, as I was saying, this is not your typical keripik, okay? This is spicy salted egg keripik.
Yes, boss. We have been planning this for weeks.
Sounds interesting. But how do we make some things that not even exist in the market?
First, wash the potatoes. Second, peel the potato skin. Third, get your knife and slice the potato thin. Fourth, soak the potato in water. 5, drain the potatoes and wash it again with clear water. 6, place the potato on a towel and pat dry it. 7, dry it from 4 to 5 hours. 8, boil some salted egg. 9, remove the yolk. 10, mash the yolk. 11, our potato has been dried. 12, deep fry it in hot pot. 13, fry it until it becomes golden and crispy.
Wait, we're not done yet. After finish frying the chips, remove the excess oil and put it aside first. Now, take some pan, turn off the stove with low heat and put some butter inside the pan. Now let the butter melt and only then you will put in some curry leaves. Oh, and since we are making a spicy salted egg keripik, make sure to add in some bird's eye chili and put some smashed egg yolk that we did earlier. Saute until foamy and make sure don't burn it. Now, after we get the right consistency that we want, turn off the stove. Grab the chips that we put aside earlier, put it inside the pan and spread the sauce evenly. Now we are ready to package the chips.
Huh? What kind of nonsense is that?
Okay, stop fighting. Let me explain about this product then. So, this is our new product. It is a keripik, but like ADLINA said, this is not your typical keripik because it comes with new flavor, which is spicy salted egg flavor. That's what makes it different and special from other keripik. And also, I think it is quite good because it is common snack at home. And during Hari Raya, the demand for keripik is quite high too.
Since we're using such high quality ingredients, have you thought about the cost? Because we are only a SME company.
Of course we have, sir.
I see. What a good team you all are. Also, I have a place in mind to expand and sell our new product. I have a free storehouse at Bandar Baru Johor Bahru. We can place our product there and expand our market to the people around Johor Bahru.
Then you guys were so good. Then why don't you, the great leader, promote the item yourself?
That's a nice new approach. Can you do it at?
I think that movie was amazing.
Yeah, I also agree. That was amazing.
Why you guys so late?
Wow, that looks tasty. Where you guys buy that? Oh, we learned about this keripik from the saleswoman over there.
Yes, very tasty, and the saleswoman is also friendly.
That smells divine. Can I have taste?
Yeah, sure, please.
Wow, good product. Good
customer service. Let's buy it.
Yeah. Let's buy it. Tengah money.
Wow, spicy salted egg crepe is never enough. This new flavor of our crepe makes you dream of their taste and crispiness. Get a free sample from visiting our physical store now. What are you waiting for?